Look at that. Here I have the Wavytalk 3/8 curling wand. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. These curls are going to be tiny. It also comes with a small heat protectant glove. I got it plugged in. It has a little screen right here. It has the plus and minus, so you could go ahead and control the temperature. It goes up all the way up to 420. The numbers are actually going up as the temperature is rising. All right, it has reached its temperature. I separated my hair, so let's go ahead and get to curling. I'm going to start with the wand, start wrapping my hair around it. So as you can see, it is nice and tight. This is my hair. Is the curled hair. Look at the difference. Alright, so there you have it. This is the finished look. Absolutely love these nice tight curls. If you're interested in getting these nice tiny curls, then I'll drop that link down below for you. Go check it out.